Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and versatile jigsaw without the cord. Introducing the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw, available as a kit or as a bare tool, delivering control, convenience, comfort, and performance in a compact size. The BJV180 is engineered for less vibration with 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting and 2,600 strokes per minute for fast, efficient cutting. Convenience features include a large trigger switch, the toolless blade change, and a built-in LED light. The BJV180 weighs only 6.1 pounds with an ergonomic grip and precision machined base for smooth cutting. The 18-volt lithium-ion battery reaches a full charge in only 30 minutes. It's part of Makita's growing lineup of cordless power tools